Have you observed that your characters, you as Vincent Cabrera and you as Estela, are very strong because you both are empowered by one thing,
Which is?
which is you power up yourself with refusal. You refuse, as Vincent, you refuse to be under your father, and Kim Chu, you refuse to be, what are you? My God! And you refuse, Kim Chu, to be under the spoloric spell of your comrades. Tawag dito. That said, do you realize that there are only a few characters like you who can make refusal a sign of strength?
Your Honor, we begin with Attorney Paolo Avellino.
Thank you po, Sir Alex. I think parang minsan humuhugot rin tayo sa lakas na pagtanggi natin. Dahil ayaw natin, either tinatapakan tayo or dahil tingin natin may mali. And parang all throughout our years as Filipinos, medyo ganun rin tayo. And parang siguro bilang aktor at bilang ang dami rin naming piniplay na ang daming mga moral dilemmas. Lalong-lalo na kay Vincent Cabrera na naging parte ng katiwalian pero tinatanggihan niya talagang totally
Agency,
Sa
ha?
ibang press con siguro yun.
100 yung score.
No press con will happen after this. So answer the question.
Sumagot si Paolo, sabi niya 100 daw ang score.
Ow! Thank you, Paolo. I thought Jericho was the only guy I knew who was brave enough to admit things. You are the second one.
I didn't admit anything, I just gave a score.
Narinig mo yung Alex? He
Nagbigay
didn't
ako ng-
admit anything, he just gave a score. 100.
I'm not asking for a score. So you did not answer the question?
Kimmy, how will you answer that question ni Alex? With urgency daw.
Kaya nga para saan ba? Ikabubuti ba yan ang ekonomiya ng Pilipinas?
Oo, ito
Kung maikabubuti sa ekonomiya
ng
ng...
presidente sa 2028.
Eto na lang.
Ikaw ba?
Ako!
Oh my God!
Eto na lang, ako magtatanong. Kimmy, kanino galing yung bulaklak na pinost mo nung Valentine's Day?
Ala, super naman. Kanino daw galing Kimi? Di ba?
Kim.
Ikaw si Kimi.
Kanino galing?
Siyempre.
Kanino?
Sorry, charot. Siyempre, sa kanya. Sa kanya, kay Paul. Siyempre sa kanya.
Kay Pao. Pao, sa'yo galing? Just to confirm?
Sa akin.
Tapos yung post mo, Kim, sabi mo, ay, babae pala ako.
Yes, ang dami kasing mga babae naglalakad sa daan nung araw na yun.
Oh.
Sabi na dadaanan ko lang, galing ako showtime. Dami naman mga naglalakad na nakahawak ng bulaklak. Itong mga to, super naman talaga sa pagka-long hair. Pag uwi ko ng bayan, yeah, may flowers din pala ako. Girl pala ako. Ganun. Yan lang yun.
I know it's too personal to share, but how does it feel lang na parang somebody sending you a flower and it's Paolo ba? From Paolo ba?
Siyempre nakaka-girl talaga pag bigyan ka ng flowers on Valentine's. Kasi hindi naman yan sa gaano kalaki yung bulaklak, super dami, ganyan. It's the thought that counts. Na naalala ka, oy, thank you, salamat ah.
Pao, anything to add sa pagpapadala mo ng bulaklak kay Kim?
Ano, masaya ako na masaya ako. Gusto mo ba i-share yung letters?
Kimi, can you?
Yes, the letter goes like this. So, kumanta pala.
Nilabas no? Ito na, babasahin ko na sa iyo.
Okay na yun.
So, ano lang reaction mo na masaya siya na masaya ka?
Happy din ako na napapahappy niya ako. Mas baka sarili mo na.
So would you say, Kim, that you already found happiness?
Super naman you already found happiness, but we have to be happy every day. Kasi di ba hindi natin alam kung ano mangyayari sa atin bukas or sa susunod na taon. So kung ano man ang nagpapasaya sa'yo ngayong taon, i-cherish mo.
Hindi ko na dadagdagan ha, Oh. Thank you, Alex. Next, Aaron. Sino magtatanong?
Yes, Alan, ito ang parating curious, wala iba kundi si Alan Sangkon of Stars Photography.
Alan, ha? Charing.
Hello. Hello, Kim and everyone. Congratulations sa mapanood ng Alibay sa
Yay, thank you.
Hindi. Tanong ko lang kasi parang ano eh. Kasi lagi sinasabi curious lang ako. Curious talaga ako, di ba? Behind the scene nung nung pinakita kanina, yung lipstick. Yung viral yun eh, di ba? How was that scene? Parang hindi ba sinasadya yun na na-transfer yung lipstick mo dun sa sa labi ni Paolo, or parang siyempre hindi pwedeng tanong anong lasa nung nung lipstick ni Kim. Pero hindi yan.
Nakakaloka yung lasa.
Hindi. How was the scene? How do you prepare for that?
Yung preparation parang bigla lang din. Pero naalala ko lang yung scene na yun. After ng scene, nagtatawanan lahat ng tao, tapos hindi ko alam kung bakit. Kasi yun pala, mukha na pala akong clown.
That's why you said clown. Okay. Alan.
Si Kim naman.
Kimi.
Ako, hindi siguro smudge-proof yung lipstick na ginamit ng makeup artist. I-try ko sa'yo. Para malaman mo. Hindi na puro tanong.
Ay, doon ang training ni Vice ganda sa'yo.
Ay, sorry. Kasi natanong siya ano daw feeling para ma-feel niya.
Ba't si Kim na sumagot?
Girl siya eh.
I know. Okay. Alan.
Thank you. Yung second question ko for Sophia. Tanong ko lang, Sophia. Sabi mo nga, this is one of your challenging role dito sa na ginawa mong teleserye with Kim Pao, di ba? As a husband, as a wife ni Paolo dito, di ba? Gaano ka-challenging yung role mo dito? And yun nga, yung mga hindi malilimutang intense scenes ninyo ni Kim, aside dun sa sabunutan and sakitan nila.
As a wife, also nervous at first kasi first time ko po rin makakatrabaho si Paolo. And yung una kami nagkita, he was so serious. So parang hindi ko alam kung paano siya kakausapin. But he was very professional. Parang natatakot ako, parang tama ba yung ginagawa ko or okay sa kanya yung acting, or parang I asked him, okay ba yun, Pao? Okay ba yung ginawa ko? And he was very supportive, he was very professional also. Natulungan niya yung character ko as the time went by.
Thank you. Congratulations everyone. Thank you.
Grabe ang bait ni Alan. Thank you, Alan. Saan ko nakakapanibago? Next.
And we have a question from the entertainment editor of the Philippine Star, Nathalie Tomada.
Naka-Valentine's outfit na.
Diba? Ano lang, MJ, follow up lang kasi yung meaning pala ng peony. Peony flowers yung binigay ni...
Okay, nag-research. Okay, wait.
Diba?
What kind of flowers is it again? Peony?
Oh, favorite ni Kim. So it
Roses.
means pala, it symbolizes healing and protection. Ganda.
Did you know that?
Well, ang sabi ko lang sa flower shop.
For healing and protection po.
Pink lang correct.
Pwede mo
Nagkagamot pala yung flower.
Pwede mong bulaklak for healing and protection.
Pero yun na, Kim, do you feel protected by Pao?
Ay, ang ganda
Super
naman
naman
ng
sa mga
super.
protection. Isa ka palang armor, knight and shining. Wala, super. Okay naman, oo naman. Hindi, well, lahat naman, hindi ko naman protected ako. Parang, paano mo masasabing hindi ka protected pag minamanyak ka na siguro? Siguro ganun. Kasi lahat naman ng taong nakakasalamuha ko ay may respeto sa akin. So, I feel protected if ganun.
You know what? Let me say something. I think where Natalie's coming from is, we haven't seen you this comfortable ng matagal. Na parang you feel so safe when you're with Paolo.
Sikyo pa na siya. Hindi, sorry. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko napapansin. Pero kung
Kasi
yun ang
nakaka-
napapansin niyo.
Pakilan nyo na to, na project.
Or,
Oh, see? Di ba? If you don't feel safe with your ka-eksena, di ba? You won't reach like 4 projects.
siguro din kasi...
May ganun ba? May sense of security?
I think so. Tsaka may sense of growth when in terms to mga roles na ginagawa namin. And very thankful din kami sa ABS dahil binibigyan nila kami sa Dreamscape, binibigyan kami ng iba't ibang klase ng mga serye na which tackles different types of roles. And pagka-eksena ko si Pao, parang nag-grow ako din
Okay.
as an actor.
Ikaw, Pao, instinct mo na ba yon na to protect Kim? Not naman in protect in like literal na way, but you know, have that safe space with Kim while working with you.
Of course. Parang, syempre, well, I've worked with Kim for so long, and parang, as much as possible, you try to protect them. Not just physically, pati, in terms of knowing, di ba? The more you know kasi, the more you're protected for a lot of stuff. For example, siguro, sige, wag na example.
Tuloy mo! Tuloy mo, pabelo na kami eh. Tuloy mo yan, Pao. Like what?
For example, like online scams, diba? Parang if you're a bit knowledgeable about that thing, you share the knowledge.
Yeah.
And parang at the same time, she's protected because she's knowledgeable about online scams even more.
But now that you've heard na yung flowers na binigay mo kind of symbolizes healing and protection, what's your reaction?
Nagustuhan mo ba?
Oo naman, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Gusto mo ba?
Within my everyday.
Mulubi.
Ayaw mo yan, Nats.
Last question lang. Kasi ito talaga yung question ng marami dito sa table.
With immediacy na naman yan, emergency.
Ano lang, for Kim Pao again, how was